I'm back and we're just gonna wrap up our trades for today. We're gonna talk about the trades that we completed and also the trades setups that were there and that we didn't take, and explain why we didn't take. And so we'll start with the Australian dollar. We took 2 trades today. This is the Australian US dollar 15-minute chart. And you can see we put a sell stop at 1.0555. We set a target of 15 pips and second target of 30 pips there at 105.25. You can see they both hit. And also I identified, when we were up here, identified a target in the 105.10 area. And this is just a little trivia that the low today on the Australian dollar is 105.08. And as I say that, price is now cycling up to the 105.32. Okay, we're completely out of this trade. And then the second trade that I took in the live trading room was the Euro US dollar. You're looking at the 15-minute chart though. Sell stop 132.23. We took 15 pips here. I took everything out. Stop 21. Second target 25. Never hit. I was hoping to get in this cluster here. And now it's price is coming back to the entry. Okay, so those are 2 trades. Took 15 and 15 successful trades. Now the trades that I didn't take, you're looking one here is the New Zealand US dollar. And there's reasons for that. As a general rule for me, if I trigger in the Frankfurt session, I limit myself to 2 trades, and my trades triggered in the Frankfurt session. So when I trade in London, I can have up to 4 open trades at a time. So here's my possible sell stop on the Kiwi, 82.21. You can see it went as low as 81.94. So that would have given your 15-20 pips there. Okay, and now price is cycling on the box. Another setup that we didn't take, and this was actually an official trade on the pound dollar. I actually had an official trade on a sell stop at 58.63. This was a head and shoulder that I identified on the 1-hour chart. This is the head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and you can see what happened here. But at the last minute I took it off because we're already up on our trades. I didn't want to have anything go wrong because the British pound's notorious for having spikes to the top. So 58.63 would have been our entry. Came down to 58.35. So but that's just a setup I didn't take. And another setup that I liked, and I talked about it to the members, is the Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie is bullish. That's because the Aussie is weak, Euro is strong. And you can see that the only reason I didn't take this is a perfect box, very strong to the upside, is that when I calculated my support resistance, I thought we could get maybe 5 to 8 pips here. But as you can see, it generated up to 15 pips. So sometimes you're going to see me, I don't take the trade even at the break of the box, and all the conditions of the Willie box are met. Because the target is small relative to the risk. Okay, so we let that one go. 2 others that we let go is the dollar yen, and this one I really have to take a better look at this. I mean, this is like a fantastic setup here. Look at the box. There's the box there, and there's the bigger box here. So that's like a double box. Oops, sorry about that. I'm going to point out the top that needs to be broken right there. And look at that. So the Willie box entry is the break of 83.56. So as you can see, we hit a high of 83.79. So there's your 10, 15, 20 pips there. And then the final setup that I didn't take was the Euro yen. Okay, so I typed it in here. Possible entry there would be anywhere between 110.53 to 57. And you can see that the Euro yen went up as high as 110.71, and bullish. It's a bullish flag. So anyway, the only reason is I didn't want too many trades open. So 3 trades today, all successful. And by the way, I wanted to take this opportunity to share the trades that I have since starting this room. So I'm gonna go ahead and share those results with the members. So this is an Excel sheet showing a summary of all the trades I've taken in the last 17 trading days since I started Sapphire FX. So using an equity balance of $10,000, trading 2% risk, because my average stop is about 22 pips. One standard lot will give you a 220 loss, which is about 2%. So you can see that I did go through a couple of drawdowns, not drawdowns, but successive losses, 4 successive losses in a row. Those things happen because, like I said, I have 4 open trades in a row. So there, from 10,000, we went up to 10,800 and down to 9,800, and then 4 losses in a row down to 9,100. And then you can see what happened here is they started trading very well, and at the end of the day, the 10,000 is now 11,465. 11.4% growth on your account, trading 2% risk in 17 trading days. Okay, so with that, I've been a lot of members are banging on my door wanting me to initiate a trade copier program so that they can benefit from my trades. So this is what I'm going to be doing. The option 1 is what I recommend. I'm going to call this the same broker execution. This is the most accurate method for copying my trades. I use a very tight cross spread platform direct to the banks with very tight commission. Now, trading is a business. It's important that we all work to reduce transaction costs as much as possible. A 1 pip spread is big. For example, if you trade 50 trades a day, that's 50 pips a month that you're giving up to the broker if you can negotiate a better spread. So by joining me in this option, you'll be able to save like at least 1 pip per transaction, and it's going to be big. So there should be really no slippage between the master account and your account. So the option 2 is also second best option. You can use any broker you want. Okay, so just read this, and then this is the information that we need to get started. A dedicated account, login information, and every member who joins me in the Trade Copier program will be able to select the maximum percent risk per trade option that they want. The lowest I go is 0.5%. You can choose 1%. 2% is what a lot of the institutions in the books call, and that's what I use for my tracker. And you can go as much as 3% risk. Understand that if you have 4 losing trades, that's a 12% drawdown. Okay, but it depends on what your risk profile is. So if you want more information on any of these trades or the Trade Copier program, send me an email at guevarawillie3@gmail.com. Thank you.